Alright, so let's get started. We're going to do a light jog, and of all the movements we're going to do about 10 repetitions of each one to get the body warm, get the joints loose. So we're going to start with some arm circles, straight arms, trying to make the biggest circle possible using your full range of motion, and you're still jogging. That'll help get us warm. And we'll reverse it, going backwards, same idea, arms straight, full range of motion. And then we're going to go to elbow circles. We're going to get the elbow joints ready. And reverse. Big circles. Try to do the full range of motion for the elbows. Alright, and then we're going to do some chest crosses to warm up the thoracic. That's the torso, the upper torso, the chest muscles, and the back muscles and shoulders. Open up as far as you can. So take your arms all the way back as far as you possibly can as you cross in front. And then we're taking it up and down. You reach the hand as high as you can toward the ceiling and the other hand as close as you can to the floor. You'll feel that stretch and the obliques as well. And then we're going to take it out to hip circles. Feet should be just outside of shoulder width. And we're moving our hips all the way around as far as our mobility will allow us to. Big circles. And remember to breathe while we're doing these movements. And then reverse. Same idea. Big circles. Warm up those hip joints. There's over 25 muscles in the hip joint, so we need to warm all of them up. And then we're going to bring the legs together, the feet together, and we're going to bend the knees forward and then take them out. And then back to straight. And this is going to help warm up our ankles, our hips, and our knees. And we'll reverse, going out first and then forward. We're trying to keep our feet flat throughout this entire movement. And we're still breathing. And then we're going to do wrist and ankles at the same time. Again, it's really important to focus on that full range of motion, getting the joints to their ends of range of motion to activate the synovial fluid and get them ready to work out. And remember to go in both directions. We're doing 10 repetitions in each direction. And finish it out. Alright, so our general warm-up is done. Here's a few reminders.